उधर से ट्रंप ने एक इशारा किया, फोन उठाया, कहा मोदी जी क्या कर रहे हो? नरेंद्र सरेंडर, और जी हजूर करके नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने ट्रंप के इशारे का पालन किया।
Wake up to reality.
The government of India probably said, let them take the credit if they want to, but from our point of view, we have made it clear that the peace followed a request from the Director General of Military Operations of Pakistan, who called his Indian counterpart at 3:35 p.m. in the afternoon, and we didn't take very long to say yes, because we had never wanted a long war.
Just keep one thing in mind, because one of you had asked, why did we stop when we did stop? Now it's complete hogwash for anyone to say that we called them first. Why would we call them first? Who was at the receiving end by the time that the calls were made? It is more than clear to everybody that the call came from the DGMO of Pakistan, and it came to the DGMO of India.